Jinlite Bangladesh Limited is an enlightening part of the glorious RNG sector in Bangladesh. Situated at the Mongla Export Processing Zone in Bangladesh, Jinlite Bangladesh Limited has been dedicatedly producing 100% export-oriented high-end garments since 2018. A well-managed store of fabrics and raw materials. All fabrics are imported from foreign market. To aid in design process, an efficient team of engineers is dedicated to the activities of pattern making, grading, marker making, lay planning through computer-aided design. According to the requirement of the buyers, the sample department makes the models for going to the final production. Spreading and cutting department, arranged in a large scale. Fabric spreading is done by auto spreader machines. Cutting is done by automated and manual machines. Enormous production. About 90,000 square feet production floor. More than 2,500 skilled manpower. Automatic